Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home. Today, students, we are back. After term 1 examinations, we are back for preparing of term 2 examinations. I know you had done your term 1 examination and you were very happy right now. Sir, our exam is finished, sir. We were very happy, sir, after finishing the exam, sir. Exam was so easy, sir. Yes, I know that exam was so easy. But coming chapter is very difficult. So you need to concentrate on your study. Don't stop here. Stop, okay? Bole, sir, term 1 examination is over, sir. So why we need to study, sir? You need to study because your coming chapter is very difficult for you. So your term 2 examination is going to start. So after the term 1 examination, okay, and unit test 4 is coming soon. So we need to prepare for unit test 4. And the first chapter that is going to come in your unit test 4, that is cubes and cube root. So today let's learn about the cube and cube root. Students, do you remember that we had discussed about the square and square root in previous chapter? Yes, very good. You remember that? Square and square root. And today we will discuss about the cubes and cube root. What we had told you about square and square root in previous chapter, we had told you that students, square and square root are completely related to each other. Square and square root are completely related to each other. Today I am going to tell you that cube and cube root, cube and cube root, cube and cube root, cube and cube root are completely related to each other. Why? Some of the students, sir, how it is possible, sir? Wait, I am telling you how it is possible. I am telling you, wait. Cube means what? Multiply that number 3 times. It means if you want to find the cube of 1. So 1 cube, 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. The cube root of 1 is again 1. Now, if you want to find the cube of 2, then 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. What is cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 2 is 8. Got it, students? So that is why I am telling you, cube and cube root is completely related to each other. Rahul, did you understand about that? Oh, very good. So what did you understand? That cube and cube root is completely related to each other. Yes, very good. So cube means we have to multiply that number by 3 times. If you want to find the cube of 5, then 5 into 5 into 5. If you want to find the cube of 5 into 5 into 5. That is 125. 125. 5 into 5 into 5, because we want the we want the value of 5 cube. Okay? So students, now I have some interesting pattern to finding a cube. I have some interesting pattern. Some interesting pattern. Some interesting patterns to finding the cube. Did you remember that in previous chapter we had also some interesting pattern to finding the square? What was the interesting pattern, dear students? The interesting pattern was adding the consecutive odd number. So that was the some interesting pattern. For like this, here we have again some interesting pattern for cube. We have some interesting pattern for cube. For example, 1 cube, that is 1. We know that. 2 cube, that is 8. We know that 2 cube, that is 8. So after 1, which odd number comes? 3. After 3, 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Very good. Now again 3 cube, that is 27. After 5, which odd number comes? 7. After 7, 9. After 9, 11. That is 27. This is the interesting pattern. 4 cube, that is 64. After 11, which odd number comes? 13. After 13, which odd number comes? 15. After 15, which odd number comes? 17. So is it true? Is it true to finding that kind of cube root? So add some multiple patterns. So you need to add, if you want to, this for a 4, that is after 7, after 11 that is 13, after 13 that is 15, after 15 that is 17, after 17 that is 19, that will be 64. I think that will be 64. If you add all the things, that will be 64. Okay, so 19 plus 17, that is the, for example, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. 48. 48 plus 7, 48 plus 7, 50, 65. 55 plus 9, that is 64. So 64 is the correct answer. So this is the interesting pattern. Adding the consecutive odd number and finding the cube. Adding the consecutive odd number and finding the cube. So this is the some interesting pattern. This was the some interesting pattern. Okay, dear student. So I have some another pattern, interesting pattern to finding the cube root. That pattern is cube and their prime factor. Cube and their prime factor. So prime factorization of a number. Prime factorization of a number. For example, 4 can be factorized 2 into 2. 6 can be factorized 2 into 3. 15 can be factorized 3 into 5. And prime factorization of cubes. For example, 4 cubes, 64. 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 2s are 60. 2s are 32. 2s are 64. So you can make a pair by 3. That will equal to 2 cube into 2 cube. 4 was 2 into 2. 4 cube was 2 cube into 2 cubes. Interesting, na? Yes. 4 was 2 into 2 and 4 cube was 2 cube into 2 cube. Let's see. Next one. 6 is 2 into 3. 6 cube. 6 cube. 2 and 6. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3 are 24, 3 are 72, 3 are 2 and 6. So that is 2 cube into 3 cube. 2 cube into 3 cube. 6 was 2 into 3. 6 cube was 2 cube into 3 cube. Dot 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 like this. So dear student, this was the some interesting pattern of finding the cube. And I hope you all will understand about that. So try to solve all the question in first exercise. We'll meet after first exercise and we will meet after the lecture and after the video and discuss about the second exercise pattern. Thank you. Till then, bye everyone. Thank you.